Hi guys, what are we going to do today? Today we're going to do something so simple. This is going to be a basic chain from a crochet stitch. It's not even really crocheting, it's just your chain. So if you've never crocheted before, I promise you this is so simple. How fun if you're using a really heavy fiber, just a cute bracelet or a start that you could add beads or charms or anything to, or just whip one up to match your clothing that day. Let's get started.
So for this one, I'm using a larger cotton cording, and I believe this is 4 or 5 millimeters, so it's pretty thick, but you could use any size you want. I'm using an N hook, and the higher the letter, the larger the hook, and you're gonna know what you need by what size your fiber is gonna be. All we're gonna be doing is just a chain stitch. So the first thing I'm gonna do is have about 6 inches, 5 or 6 inches from the end. Make a loop and bring this up, and that actually is your chain stitch. I have my fiber behind me. I'm grabbing my hook and I'm putting it around there, and I'm just bringing that loop through the last hole. I loop my hook in my loop, bringing it around, grabbing my fiber, pulling it back through. Okay, so at this last one, I'm just going to, again, take 6 inches, cut this. I'm going to take this end, just bring it through this loop, pull, and there you go.
I hope you thought this was simple. It really is so simple. Even if you don't have a tool, you're just bringing a loop up, pulling it, bringing a loop up. Hope you try it out. Thanks for watching. Have fun.